English version of the speech by chief guest. Today as we celebrate our Independence Day, we also mark the 4th anniversary of the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. This initiative embodies our collective commitment to creating a drug-free India, empowering our youth to lead healthier, more productive lives, reaching more than 11.22 crore people. NMBA has transformed as a John Underwood, garnering support from 3.54 plus lakh youth and 2.35 plus lakh women.